Hey guys, it's Poe back again with Let's Get Techy. Today we're going to take a look at whether or not X470 makes sense to buy with your new Ryzen processor. So one of the things that AMD has shown us is that to get the new features of XFR 2 and Precision Boost 2, you do need an X470 motherboard. I have some doubts about that. A lot of people have been comparing X470 to X370. Decided to go a step further and compare X470 with B350, since I'm sure there's a ton of people out there that got on the first gen Ryzen platform with the B350 motherboard and are now thinking about upgrading to Ryzen's second generation. So today's video, we're going to focus on factory performance. We're not going to overclock. We're going to see what the differences are in performance and clock speed in regards to XFR and Precision Boost, and see if we're able to get the same performance, same clock speeds out of a B350 motherboard as we would with an X470 motherboard. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the performance. So as you can see, there seems to be very little difference between using an X470 motherboard and a B350. As far as I can tell, XFR 2 and Precision Boost 2 work almost exactly the same, if not exactly the same. There was a little bit of variance in testing, but that probably more than anything comes down to the difference in power delivery of the motherboards. They were both MSI motherboards, but obviously the X470 board is much nicer than the B350 board that we use. So that's going to do it for this one. Make sure that you get subscribed if you aren't already for an upcoming Ryzen 2700X build. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.